Yes, sir. Still a predator. How my camera look at? Oh shit, the chain
Oh,
camera.
there's a new Predator movie out.
Yeah, no. Olin John, advanced settings. Display that, sharing audio, camera, video settings. Okay, chroma key. Do not change. Okay. Okay. Ready? Where you going? You need any information around? Look at your map and you'll see if you got any information things.
Is that little circle on the right?
Yeah.
Or how do I look at my map?
Push your writing pad, the black writing D-pad.
Okay.
And you should see a map with any information or, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, it went like night vision scope.
Oh, now you got to put your right directional button. Holy shit, Johnny!
Oh shit! What the hell?
Right directional.
What did I do?
You put your drone out. Okay, your up directional button, that's for your drone. Your right directional button, that's for changing your vision, like night, day, night and vision, infrared and all that.
Okay, so my right is night and day, and then my bottom does nothing.
Your left and left
pad
changes your.
My left.
Select your grenade, your C4, your mines.
Oh, okay. It's not letting me. It's not telling me anything.
If you look at your bottom left of your screen, when you push your
hold
left,
on.
you have to be off the elo to do it.
Oh, okay, now I got it. Okay, I got a frag grenade. I got a proxy mine. Those are the only two things I got.
Okay, as you go along, you unlock more stuff.
Top is drone. Okay.
Alright, directional is for your.
How do I stop doing the thing?
Oh, just push the button again.
Okay. Now, what did you ask me to look for?
Okay, look on your map and see if you see like you should have a first mission in your here or information.
But how do I do that? Oh, the center pad.
Yes. There should be some information down here on this hill.
Here we are. Oh, there's a blue skill points.
That's it.
There's there's
so you're gonna push X
mission.
to mark it up. Get your skill point first and the information from a lady down here. So you push when you're on your you're on your big map. Anywhere you want to go, you move your cursor and then you push X, and that'll give a marker.
Okay, I got it.
All right. Let's go. So you're gonna go down there and you're gonna get the information. And
do I want to run down there or do we want to take the helo?
We could take the helo. There's 2 enemies down there.
All right, I'll just follow you. Now, now Joe's taught me how to go from silencer to not silencer.
Okay.
You aim and then you
push up
and then you press up on your.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and hold on, let me make sure. Okay, now I'm on silencer, and then reload is just square.
Yeah.
Okay, let me go over this weapons cache real quick. Make sure I'm all
I'm in the helo waiting for you when you're ready.
Okay.
Take your time. Take your time.
I'm on my way right now.
Let me. Shit. Oh shit, that was my fault, man. Camera. Hold up. Give me a second.
Heading over towards you.
Oh, sorry.
Now,
I thought this evil.
Hi, bro.
Innit? Beautiful. Okay, we're going to your marker.
Okay.
Should be here, right?
Straight ahead. We're about 630 feet away.
Should be in this house.
No, not my marker. The one I selected is way over here. It's straight ahead.
Gotcha.
500 more feet.
There's something right there for you to get information. I probably got that already when you start the game. Holy shit. Base. Okay, you're gonna put
get out here.
Yeah, put your drone up and mark the enemies. There's enemies up here. You'll see them on your thing. I can't see them, but you can see orange markers, orange dots and shit.
Okay, how do you fly this again? Let's see here.
R2, R2 to go up and L1 to go, L2 to go down.
Okay.
Sniper.
R2 goes up, L2 goes down. Okay. Okay.
And then he just...
I asked the rebels to do a recon of the area.
How do I mark them?
You just move the drone around and look, boy. I marked them up already right here, boy. Just move your drone around and just move it up and down. You'll just basically find the enemies and mark them up. Oh, this shit is gonna be tough, John. Okay, let's get to the sniper first of all.
Okay.
Sniper dead. Careful.
Nice.
There's a few guys up there. You gotta sneak in and take him out. You can use a flashbang and blind them if you got flashbang.
I don't know. Let me see what I got.
Push your left.
I just got a proximity mine and a frag grenade. That's it.
Alright, no problem. You get them, Azug. Move up. Fucking hell.
Alright, man. Yeah, thank you, Eric.
You've been suspected. Guy to your left is suspect something.
How do you kneel?
A circle. He's in this house. He's right here.
Lobbing a flashbang.
I'm gonna kill his ass. Come on.
Oh, did I just shoot you? Can I kill you if I shoot you?
No.
Okay.
Get where you need to get. Get where you need to get, John. Before
I am. I'm tagging supplies right now.
Just get where you need to get first. Don't worry about the tagging.
And then what the hell am I supposed to be? I don't know what I'm supposed to be getting, dude. That's
You marked something up here. What did you mark up here? You marked up. What was it you marked up to come get?
Medication, 22 skills available. Let me see.
Okay, put your open up your map and have a look and see. Holy shit.
Okay, so I can do hip fire spread, stable aim. I'm gonna do one of those.
Hey, get ready, you're dead. I'm gonna pick you up.
Grenade launcher. Damn, that's gonna hurt. I am dead? Oh shit.
We've got reinforcements coming in.
Okay. I don't know what I was supposed to do here, bro.
You came for something.
The truth. Fuck, I'm dead again. God damn it. I'm lost. I don't know what the fuck.
You came for something. You sure didn't come up here for nothing?
Well, wouldn't it still be on my registering on?
Yeah, it still be on the thing. Push your...
Okay, I see it. I see it now. I see it now.
Okay, there you go. It's probably on the tower. Sniper tower.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm going up there right now. Yes, it is.
Shit, there's somebody else
cool,
here.
I got it. I got it. Is there anything else up here I can get? Ooh, there's a sniper rifle. I'm gonna
somebody right here. Holy shit.
Okay, I'm gonna help you out.
A guy right by me.
What are we looking at? Oh shit, I'm getting shot.
He's right by me. Gonna mark him up.
Okay, I'm looking.
I just requested a rebel recon of this area.
Oh, I see him. Oh, he got me, son of a bitch.
I'm coming.
What's that, Mom?
Thank you.
You're up, Johnny, you're up.
Oh, okay. Okay, sweet.
They're shooting at you.
Oh shit, son of a bitch!
We're both dead.
Huh?
Those are Unidad, man.
Yeah,
the powerful guys.
You gave me some cards I didn't need, and that was all it took. Boom.
Well, let me adjust my camera quickly, John. Just a moment. Broadcast settings. Advanced.
Hey Zach, why don't you cook up a bunch of eggs and cheese and toast?
Hell yeah, and a red striped beer, Zach, while you're at it.
And a red striped beer. Me ain't afraid of no white boy.
Alright, Johnny, we got that. Where else do you want to go? Bring your map up and have a look to see if you got any more information.
But not a guy you invited for dinner with the
So you're looking for information and
guess he's had it rougher than most.
There's an intel catch, there's
yeah, get the intel cache.
Kingslayer.
Yeah, you need both. You need both of those. Get them, mark them up on your map.
That bastard's still ticking.
2.6 or we're gonna get ELO.
That takes something powerful.
Okay.
Small Elo.
Keep at it after all that shit happens to you.
Alright, Elo is up
Fisher
here. Follow me.
Decades walking side by side with death.
Okay,
That's tough. Sometimes. Yeah, think about the bad things we do for the good of our country.
Now, is this always third
overseas,
person, or
fix
can I go
lives,
first
ruin
person?
others.
Third person.
Yeah, I do it all again.
I don't know. There's
No
enemies
heartbeat.
here. Careful. Yes, there's enemies.
Don't know if I'd
Fuck
go as
me.
far as Sam Fisher does.
Oh, this is not our helo. Holy shit, this is enemy helo. Oh shit, back off slowly.
Should we kill him? Back up slowly?
If you wanna kill him, you can kill him. You wanna kill him?
Well, it's up to you. I'm down to... I don't know how to play this fucking game. I'm down to kill or leave or whatever.
I'm killing. Let's take their helo. Fuck it. Nice. Clear. Look at you. Fucked up,
We'll
huh?
let the rebels know where to find these supplies.
You
They can pay us back
fucked up.
later.
Alright, jump on the helo.
You got it.
I got it. I'll fly.
Okay, we're going to your marker now.
Sniper up in the tower.
Hold on, are we still in Itako? Here we are. In the daytime, you see all the beautifulness.
Still pretty cool.
Yeah, I like though to do some of this mission. Some of the mission you have to do at night. That's what I like with the game on the freaking weather change format and shit. I teach you a trick, Johnny. Never you land too close. All right, there's always enemies. You may be able to see your orange things on your map and all that shit. But anyway.
I think I've done this before.
Yeah. I don't see. I can't see nothing anyway. I'm creeping in. Clear. It's on the outside, on the other side of the building.
Okay.
Gun case. Accessory. There should be other things here for you to get as well. Have a look on your map again. Or you can see it on your map, on your right side map on your screen. You can see when you're in an area. You can see things pop up that you need. You see something pop up on your ship?
Like no, I just see some trucks.
Security.
Okay, bring your big map up and have a look.
Helicopter. Oh wait, no, I see something 36 feet away.
Reliable as hell, but not a guy you invited for dinner with the family.
There you go, my boy.
Guess he's had it rougher than most. Lost
Oh, it's a chainsaw.
When he was a kid.
No, it's a document. Looked like a chainsaw.
Death.
I'm thinking a chainsaw.
Well, there was a chainsaw there, but
I know. I'm like, I've got a chainsaw. I've got Elo right here. Elo right here.
All right.
And then you bring your map up again, and then you look and see where else you got to collect.
The Fisher spent decades walking side by side with death.
No, that's how you play the game, you know. You gotta use your map all the while to see what is there to get and what to collect, where to go.
Do for the good of our country.
Alright, we're going
Travel
Bravo.
overseas, take some lives, ruin others. I'd do it all again, in a heartbeat. But I still don't know if I'd go as
Did it
far
come
as
up?
Sam Fisher does.
Yeah. There should be a mission here for you. I've probably done the mission already. There's enemies right here though. I know there's enemies there. I know there's enemies. Where you going? Right there? On that building?
Yep, I guess so, yep. Can I parachute or do I have to land?
You have to unlock your parachute. Have you unlocked it?
I don't think so.
Your skill points will let you unlock your parachute. Don't worry about that for now. In due time you can unlock the first thing you can unlock is your parachute when you get enough skill points for it. And check your map again to see if anything is close by.
I am, and I'm not seeing anything.
I mean your big map, not the little one on your right.
Yeah, I am. I'm doing the big map. There's another thing right by here. There's a gun.
I told you. Yep, there's a lot of enemies over there. Get your drone out.
Is it
I'm
worth
teaching you. Get your drone out. Yeah, man, you have to get everything.
Okay.
So you get your drone out and fly around the building, and you see you start to mark up people, men and shit. Mark your drone up. Send your drone up.
Oh, I heard you. I'm sorry. I was
That's
thinking about something.
Okay. Thinking about the pussy.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking about. How'd you know?
I'm a man too, man. They say the average man think about sex 500 times at least for the day.
Got another. That's 5.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I asked the rebels to
I
recon.
believe that.
Gay. Alright, let me reload my shit.
Okay, so it looks like there's about 7, 8 dudes there.
That's all the targets.
How do I get out?
Up again. Select your drone again.
Okay.
I got 2 motherfuckers right in front of me. Remember, I can't take too much damage else I'd die.
Yeah, right there.
Nice.
Tango
shit.
down.
You ain't seen shit, nigga. You ain't seen shit. Just lay down. You ain't seen shit.
I love that predator mask. That is hilarious.
Uh-huh. You got dreads. He's dead already. Watch the back door. 2 guys coming out of the back door.
I see him.
I got one nearby. I gotta get the other one. Got him. Hey, this guy found a dead body.
Throwing a flashbang.
That tango's
down. We're throwing a flashbang.
He's by you. Got him. Saved your life. Okay, get your weapon.
Thank you.
That's rebels. Don't kill them. That's our rebels. Friendly, friendly, friendly.
Oh shit, my bad, my bad. I didn't know.
If you kill too much friendly as well, you make your mission fail as well if you're on a mission.
I didn't know.
So all green guys, only guys are enemy is the purple and the orange guys.
Okay.
The green guys are friendly. Just that battlefield, friendly, alright.
Gotcha.
I was feeling hardcore last night, dude. Fuck me, it was amazing. I went on the back flank and killed all the guys. But my friendly team and Blueberry was on the opposite side. And I killed the guys after shout out, friendly, 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 because everybody's chucking grenade RPG at my ass. I'm like, friendly, and then they all start to fucking all the squad was laughing at me. Which way you going next? Bring a map up again.
Okay, let me look. There's a bonus medal.
Yep, go get it. 1.2 just around the corner. So what you do to the key to this game, Johnny, you work in one area first. Complete everything within that area. Get all the bonus medals, your things, and then you start your missions, and then you know what I'm saying? And your side missions, do a few side. Yeah, that's how I work my shit. It doesn't make sense you go all over the map and all, you know? Oh, Elo's right here. Oh, and to mark us direction, if you're saying to somebody enemy on what side, you just aim to what direction and push X. You see that ping thing?
Yeah, what's that?
Yeah, that's another way to show where there's enemies. If you're in an area and there's jammer and you can't use your drone, just say enemies on that side, and you know your friends could look over there and whatever. Now you wanna fly?
Okay.
Let's see you fly.
Oh no, I guess.
Go. R2 to move up.
Whoa.
And L1, your left directional button to steer and turn it there, yeah? Other way, you need to go the other way though. Use the next analog stick to turn around. Your right analog stick, right analog, right. There you go.
Right,
and then you go forward. Just push your analog stick left one forward. Don't go too high. And L2 to drop your altitude.
Whoa, dude, hold on. This is not working out for me.
Okay, hold on to L2.
Oh, that's my camera. Okay, I moved my camera where it was hard to see. There we go. I got it now.
Land at least 200.
Fucking lame.
No, L2. Just hold on to L2. Just hold it. Oh, I remember here.
Well, I'm pushing to go forward. It's not going.
There's a lot of enemies here.
Got another tango. I got a third target. Just spotted one with some.
There's a helicopter as well you could probably get. I could get this helo for you.
Looking at your target number 5.
Might as well we get it while we're here.
Oh, you mean in the air?
No, the other helo that is in the base. Okay. That's a side mission, but there's a guy. If he goes in the helo, we're gonna fail the side mission.
Okay, so I'm gonna throw up my drone.
Yep, I marked up what I could mark up already. But to be on the safe side.
And the guys in red are friendlies?
I asked the rebels.
No, all those are enemies in here. Red and purple are enemies. Only green is friendly. Wait, careful, there's another guy coming. Don't drop him yet. Don't drop him yet. Okay, let me send the drone up. I need to kill one guy especially.
There is a lot of dudes up
Oh shit,
there.
this guy coming to me. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it.
Okay.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Shit. Fuck you. You see that, Johnny?
The knife? I didn't. I was hiding behind a rock.
That's a predator. Okay, there's one guy. We're gonna try to get this helo at the same time. Where is he? Is that him? Yep, there he is. We killed that motherfucker there. If I can kill him, the helo is safe. Don't have to worry about nothing else. Ah, there he is. Hold it, don't move. Gonna be a tough shot. Got him. Ha! Kill everything else, Johnny. Kill everything else.
Okay.
Put a call to the rebels for some reinforcements.
Shit.
Wait, let me place a mine.
Careful, John. Careful. Careful. Man on your left.
I got that bonus medal.
Nice. We're gonna go for the helo.
Okay.
Careful. Don't shoot the helo.
I won't.
Come on, pop that head off. He's been suppressed. Watch that right.
Tango down.
Bitch. I don't want to blow the helo up.
I won't.
No, me. I'm saying I don't want to blow the helo up.
Oh.
Got him clear. Okay, tag all your things. Is there anything here else for you to get? Check around.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, like I said. Get me some top ammo. Okay, and tag all those crates to get your little points up. Okay. Whenever you're ready, your chariot awaits.
I think I got everything.
To make sure you get everything, just bring your big map up. To make sure you get everything.
Can I zoom in?
Yes, R2 and L2,
Okay.
zoom in and out.
Okay, I think I got everything.
Alright, get in. Drop the seal at the rendezvous. You gonna play some Battlefield later on?
I'm down to play it anytime.
Alright, let's get you some stuff on here first and then we could do that. You know, sometimes humans it's good to get a little break from the battlefield sometimes. It's a bit stressed.
Yeah, totally, man. I totally agree.
Okay, just gonna drop the helo off for the rebels.
Good work. You can leave the chopper here and the rebels will pick it up.
Can still hear the predator voice in my ears. Yeah, I can still hear it going off.
Is there anything here?
Firing a flare.
Just double check. Open your map and double check. Always double check your ears as you go. Hey, there may be something in the house over there for you.
There's something over here. Intel catch.
Where?
It's just really close by.
In the house, innit? Yeah, I knew it. Same house. Same house.
What over here?
Yeah, I was pinging at it. It said there's something in this house over here. There should be something, cause like I said, I played it and I know where things are. Basically, put it that way. And there's a group of enemies in the next burned down house over there. See, you've been suspected. Enemies are here. They're across the pond. That lake. There they are. Right in front of me.
I asked the rebels to recon the area for us.
Blanca antenna ripe for depowering.
Hello. All of them dead, Johnny. Kill off all of them blood clot. Find the one that through the wall. Through the wall, the blood clot. Through the wall. Me catch him in there, Johnny. Show the fucking hole. You can see the window.
Oh, you got a sniper rifle.
No, I'm using assault. Got him. Peek around again, bitch. Oh. Oh, waiting for him to peek his head up. I'm using the freaking assault. It's called something bad news. They got some weird name for this gun in this game. LVOA-C bad news. I never heard of that gun before.
No, I never heard of that gun either.
Probably is a LVOC, but the name that they give it, you're like, damn, is that gun really like that? Okay, got all the tags over here. Where else you want to go? Bring your map up and have a look.
I'm trying to, I got an available thing. Oh, it's hip fire. Okay, so I'm going to do that.
Die, cows!
Ooh, battery. Get that. Night vision. Got that. Range.
Get your parachute.
Got that. Oh shit, I haven't got that yet. Let me go back. Item. Parachute. Available. Got
Take it.
Binocular zoom. Do I want that?
Oh, your bottom directional button is for your binoculars.
Okay, so physical. I'm gonna do my stamina. No pain. God, I have a bunch of fucking shit.
Yeah. While you're at it, let me just roll myself a medicine. Hold on, what time is it? Marcus? Man, that Chica pissed me off, man. Chica is very disrespectful.
What can you do?
Yeah, very disrespectful, man.
Okay, I think that's everything I got.
Got him. Get through the chopper.
Get through the chopper! Okay, I'm right behind you.
Johnny. You wanna see something fucked up?
You're gonna kill a cow?
Look how many I've killed. Just one bullet I went, and turned over. Alright, where else, buddy? Get on and mark up.
Do my map. Okay, so that's where we are.
Just stick you in the same region that we are in, okay?
Yeah, here's a bonus medal.
Alright.
It's not too far.
Camp.
Tango on the roof. Tango on the roof.
Marcus, what are you looking for? Get out of the fridge. Go out of the fridge.
Spotting another tango.
Zach, you can make a bunch of eggs and cheese and toast?
I asked the rebels to do a recon of the area. He makes 5.
Did you already do your drone?
Huh?
Did you already do your drone? Talk to Orlando. Yeah, Zach.
Zach wanna cook some egg and drone.
Yeah, cook some egg and drone, Zach. I like mine cheesy.
Marco. Fucking man, if you want something for
You want to please me, you better make my egg nice and cheesy.
Holy shit.
Tango down.
You got him? Nice.
Yeah.
Motherfucker almost spot me up. Him dead. We got a guy up there doing exercise. His nigga's pushing up and he's about to die. Shit, shit! You didn't see shit, motherfucker.
Call Pacatory for some reinforcements.
Shit, Johnny. They're nowhere here.
Shit balls.
Oh, God, I'm bleeding!
Fuck, he got me. God damn it.
I'm dead too. Ooh, both of us went down. Ay, ay, ay. Where'd I put my shit?
I'm starving to death over here. Over here.
No worry, man. Zach hook you up in a minute.
No, he's not doing shit. I'm gonna have to do it myself if I want, I think.
Tell Zach, man, he need to step up, look after his big brother. Tell him he's lucky he didn't get his ass whooped to make his food.
That's the truth.
He went to Paladin 9 Security. Worked with Fisher on K&R in South America. Said he was a real hard ass. And reliable as hell.
Starving over
Not a
here.
guy you invited for dinner with the family. Guess he's had it rougher than most. He lost both his parents when he was a kid. And apparently, somebody faked his daughter's death. He's been shot, stabbed, tortured. And that bastard's still ticking. Like Rasputin or something. And that takes something powerful. To keep at it after all that shit happens to
What are
you.
you doing?
Mocking up.
Fisher spent decades walking
What are you
side by
making
side
it
with
up
death. That's tough.
For what though?
Sometimes. Yeah, think about the bad things we do for the good of our country. Travel overseas,
Fuck,
take
I'm fucking
lives,
starving,
ruin
man.
others.
Ugh.
And I'd do it all again. In a heartbeat.
Ooh, tuna fish?
I still don't know if I'd go as far as Sam Fisher does.
this stuff to beat raviolis. Sorry, Orlando, I'm just starting looking to see what there is to eat.
What's that, man?
It sounds good as some mac and cheese and tuna. I don't want a chicken breast. I want eggs and cheesy eggs and toast. I want an egg sandwich. Don't you? Huh?
Rebels for some indirect fire.
Copy that. Fire for effect. Viva Bolivia.
Fuck, man. God damn it.
Put a call to the rebels for
starving.
some reinforcements.
Run over your base, boys.
Okay, so I'm back.
I'm telling you, these motherfuckers are gonna run the base.
There ain't nothing that I can't get that I don't have to cook. This is a lot more relaxing than Battlefield, I'll tell you that though.
Yeah, I told you all the while, this game is just relaxed more. Battlefield take up a lot out of you. Make you feel tired after a whole hour and a half gameplay. This one's a bit more relaxed. You can just start relaxing, then they get warmed up, getting Battlefield, like, yeah. I think we're clear over here, Johnny, when you're ready to get over.
I'm over here right now.
The rebels are stealing bikes already and shit, look at him. Do some burnout, dude. You can't do it. Where the bike's at? Let me show you to burn out this shit. Where the bike's at? Ah, here's a bike. Let me show this motherfucker to do a burnout. Stay right there, don't move.
Let's roll.
You talk to me?
No, the rebel. He's on the bike. He's stealing a bike.
Oh.
I'm taking some burnout.
Yeah.
Come on, do some burnout, rebels. Come on, follow me. Come on, rebel. You ain't got this, dude. You ain't got this. Come on. Come on. Let me see what you got. Go on. I'm gonna burn out around you now. Watch this. Show me something, rebel. Show me something. Come on, rebel. Making some donuts here, rebel. Come on. Oh, wheelie on your face. Take mud, heat mud, heat mud, heat mud! You can't burn out like me, rebel. You just embarrassed all your ancestors.
One fell swoop. Okay, I think maybe the weapons cache is upstairs. Oh no, it's just here. Okay, I found it. Ooh, I got an assault rifle that could be new. The P416 or the submachine gun, the MP5. Do I want to change on my shit?
Change what?
My assault rifles and shit?
Yeah, so you can change it if you want to, if you want to test them out and see which one you're more comfortable with, which one is more better.
This one I got right now seems to be working pretty damn good though.
I'll work with it then until you want to decide to say you don't change it. Because some regions are easier than some.
Maybe I can add it. Oh, it's parts. I got new parts. Okay, I got a scope for it. Okay, I'll try this. I'll try this scope. Okay. And then it's got an underbarrel attachment. Oh, a grenade launcher. Nice.
I shot him in the head. Oh, we got a lot of things to tag here
yeah.
as well. I'll tag up some of this shit for you meantime. No, not yet.
These supplies will buy us a lot of goodwill from the rebels.
Not saying I still have something new. Edit the films. Oh, my accessories. Pouches. Wow.
Oh, where's this one? Look here. Oh, you up here?
I think we're set, yep.
I asked the rebels to send over a vehicle for us.
Who did that outside? Look at them fuckers. Die, bitch.
I'll fly.
Where else you wanna go?
Oh, let me do my math. But I'm almost to the point where maybe we should go and smash on some places. It's up to you.
Huh? What'd you say? What's that?
Maybe we should go throw on some battlefield and go crush some fools.
Yes, sir. Let's do this one, then we hit the fields.
Alright, sounds good. Fucking graphics are tight.
Mm-hmm.
Real nice.
Shit.
You
You got your parachute, yeah? Gonna test your parachute out?
I do. Yep. Does it do it itself? Nope.
Hey, that's the same place we came from. We restore the helo. Which way are you going? Ain't this the place you marked up over here?
I don't have no idea where the hell I'm going. I just parachuted down and probably in front of 100,000 people that want to kill me.
Holy shit! Where did you want to go, man? You wanted to go right here.
I parachuted the wrong way, bro.
Holy shit.
I asked the rebels to recon the area for us.
Oh wait, who the hell is this guy?
Dude, you came here already, man. You sure this is the right place? You coming backwards?
I'm interrogating
Yes.
somebody.
Mind they kill you though. I'm gonna try to get over there. Ask for weapons and medals.
Yep.
Holy shit.
Oh, they got me. So let's just do some battlefield.
Alright. Let me stop the stream.